In this chapter, we are going to discuss about formatting cells like font, border, pattern, alignment, numbers, etc. and formatting rows, columns and sheets. Let's start Excel workbook. Click on Start button. Insert program and files type Excel. Excel. It is an application file name of Microsoft Excel. Press enter. Now the Microsoft Excel is being opened. This is Microsoft Excel welcome window. Now click on blank workbook. This is Excel workbook, which is sheet 1. Let's work with fonts. Here these are the cells where you can type. For example, name, address, telephone number. Okay, so here you can type like any name like assist Karki. Okay, address is Kathmandu, telephone number 01 something. You can use cursor control keys to move cursor from one cell to another. You can see up arrow, down arrow, left arrow and right arrow on your keyboard. You can move your cursor as per desire. So here you can see a data content like a name. Here the data has been covered with this column. It means the column width is less. Now you can just place your mouse pointer where you can see a double-headed arrow. Just drag your, place your left mouse button and drag. See, like this you can increase the column width. Or just double click on this. Place your mouse pointer here. You can see a double-headed arrow. Just double click on it. See, automatically the data are fitted with the columns. Now let's add more data like Papa, Bhaktapur, phone number, something. Okay. Here also just double click on it. See, the automatically data are fitted with the column. Let's have more data like. Okay. Now let's format the text. You can select the text which you want to format. For example, I want to set bold to the all text. Now I have highlighted the cells. Now click on bold. See, the text has been highlighted. I want to change the font color red. See, the color has been changed. I want to change the font style of the shading different way. Now I want to choose different font like this style I have chosen. I want to increase the font size. Now I can go here and select the font size. Okay, and here you can fill the heading. Just go to fill color. Choose any one color which you want to fill by. See, the color has been filled. Similarly, I want to fill this data with any other color. Okay. See, data has been filled with this color. Now, here you can see the data are arranged with left side. Now, you can arrange this data in center or left align, right align or center line. Just select the content. First, let's align this heading. Now, I want to align this heading at the center. Now, click on center align. Okay, you can just increase the column width like this. Just placing the mouse pointer on this area and just drag. Similarly, I want to align this text at the center. Now I have selected this content. Now click on center align. Now the data has been aligned at the center. Similarly, here you can see alignment. These are called the vertical alignment. See, now let's increase the column row height also. Here we are going to do directly. Suppose just drag here. Just place your mouse pointer and drag. Okay, we have increased the row height from here directly. Now, what you see, the data are aligned on the bottom. सबै यो सिटको डाटा जति यो रोको छेउमा आएर अथवा मतलब यो लाइनको छेउमा आएर अथवा बटमतिर चाहिँ अलाइन भएको छ. If you want to align this, data at the center, you can click on this middle align. See, data has been raised up. Similarly, if you click on this top align, the data are hanged with this line, grid line. So you can align the data as per required, like top align or center align or bottom align. Similarly, on the cell, you can align the data at the left side or at the center or at the right side. Let's align center and middle align. Okay. Similarly, here you can see option, it is called orientation. You can change the orientation of the cell data. For example, let's change the orientation of this data heading. For example, I want to select this heading. Now go to this orientation option, click on here. Here you can see different types of angles of orientation. Now which type of orientation do you want? Like angel clockwise or angel counterclockwise. Suppose I want to choose this angel counterclockwise. See, the data orientation has been changed. Similarly, click on orientation. See, angel clockwise. This is angel clockwise. And here 1e plus 07, it is scientific method. Just increase the row height, then automatically the number or data are displayed. Similarly, I have to change the orientation of these two rows. Now go to orientation, choose any one style. Suppose this style I want. Like this we can change the orientation of data. So we can display the data in different way. If you want to remove this formatting of the cells data, you can just select the cells data, click on clear option on editing group. Here you can see clear all. It removes all the data. If you click on clear all, it removes all the data. You can click on clear formats. That removes the formatting. See, the design or the formatting has been removed. Like fill color also has been removed. Similarly, orientation also has been removed. Similarly, when you print this sheet, you do not get these grid lines. For example, let's see print preview. Go to file menu, click on print. Here you can see print preview. Here you do not see grid lines here. हामीले यो sheetलाई प्रिन्ट गर्यौं भने ग्रिड लाइनहरु प्रिन्ट हुँदैन, तर हामीले डिजाइनमा हेर्यौं भने हामी ग्रिड लाइनहरु देख्न सक्छौं. So these grid lines are not printed. These grid lines are only for the data editing and displaying. So to add grid line, यदि हामीलाई यो डाटालाई ग्रिड लाइन हालेरै प्रिन्ट निकाल्नु छ भने अथवा ग्रिड लाइन हालेर चाहिँ डाटाहरु शो गर्नु छ भने just highlight the data where you want to set lines. Now go to border option on font group. See, you can see border option. Click on here. If you want to add border around the all boxes or all cells, click on all borders. See, the data has been set with borders. Now let's go to file menu again. Let's go to print. In print preview, you can get borders around the text or in the cells. Let's go back. So if you want to remove these borders, you can select the data, go to borders option, click on no border. The borders has been removed from the cells. Like this we can apply the borders and remove borders from the cells. Similarly, here we have the wrap text. Wrap text, for example, if you type something here in cell, for example, I want to type a text here. Suppose Kathmandu shopping mall Okay, I have typed a text, but this text is still in a cell. Now, and you can see the small MALL has been out of this cell. Now, if you wrap this text, the text will be arranged in another lines, or that will be aligned in a single cell. For example, let's go to wrap text. See, the text has been aligned and you can see only inside the particular cell. So wrap text wraps the text. It means when you write a text in a multiple lines, you need to wrap text. जब तपाईले कुनै पनि टेक्स्ट मल्टिपल लाइनमा लेख्न चाहनुहुन्छ, जस्तै कमेन्टहरु भयो, ओके, when you want to write something here, long text, in such a text you can wrap. तपाईले यसलाई wrap text गरिदिनु भयो भने यो एउटै सेल भित्र बस्छ. जस्तै wrap text गरिदिनु, सी त्यो अघि छरिएर रहेको सेलको डाटा चाहिँ मतलब कन्टेन्ट चाहिँ एउटै सेलमा चाहिँ मिलेर बसेको छ. यसरी wrap text ले चाहिँ when you write multiple text in multiple lines, that can be arranged in a single cell, in the particular cell. Here we have important option, that is merge and center. It is used to merge the data. For example, let's erase this contents. To erase the contents, select the contents, place delete key. Now I want to type a heading on this data. For example, address book. Okay, I want to type address book, but I don't need these grid lines. मलाई यो grid lineहरु चाहिदैन. मलाई यो एउटै single cell चाहिन्छ. In such a case, you can just select the cells which you want to merge, click on merge and center option. See, the whole अघि तीनवटा सेल चाहिँ merge भयो, अहिले के भएको छ, a single cell. So now you can type here. For example, address book of employee. See, the content has been typed inside a cell. यो तीनटा सेल, पहिला अघि तीनटा कोलमको तीनटा सेल, छुट्टा छुट्टै सेल चाहिँ मर्ज भएर एउटा सेल भएको छ. सो यसलाई चाहिँ मर्ज भनिन्छ. एन्ड सेन्टर मिन्स डाटा has been aligned at the center. You can align this data at the middle center also, like this. Okay, let's align this data at the middle center. See, you can format the data as per your desire and requirement. Let's create another sheet. Click on plus sign at the bottom of the working area. New sheet. See, sheet 2 has been opened. This is sheet 1, this is sheet 2. You can also rename the sheet. For example, in sheet 1, just right click on it, click on rename. You can type new name for it. For example, employee sheet. Press enter. Okay. You can also change the tab color. For example, right click on it, click on tab color, choose any color. Suppose I have chosen red. See, the tab color has been changed and the sheet also has been removed. यसरी शीटमा नाम दिनुभयो भने तपाईले शीटको जुनसुकै शीटमा जान सक्नुहुन्छ, किनकि नाम दिएको हुन्छ र कुन पर्पजको लागि चाहिने हो, you can choose. Now let's open sheet 2. This is sheet 2. Now you can rename sheet 2 also. Just right click on this sheet, click on rename. Now name the sheet. For example, this is item table. Press enter. See, the sheet, new sheet name has been set up. Now you can also change the tab color. Just right click on it, click on tab color, choose any one color that you want. See, I have chosen this color. Okay, now in this item table sheet, I want to create an item table. For example, item ID, item name, rate, quantity, total. Suppose this is sheet. Here item ID of any particular item like 001. Now item name is mouse, rate is 250, quantity 4. Similarly, number 2, item ID number 2, mouse, here monitor 5000, quantity 5. 3, speaker 1500, quantity 10. Okay, suppose this is the data. Now here you can see number group. You can change the numbering style. For example, let's select the data. Now I need 4.00, 5.00 means I need decimal value. Just click on increase decimal. See? Now this is the style of numbering. हामीले विभिन्न बिलहरुमा पनि देख्न सक्छौं यस्तो खालको स्टाइल. Okay? If you do not need, or if you need only one digit just back of this point, just click on decrease decimal. See? I need 3 decimals here. Click on increase decimal. Like this you can increase decimal. Similarly, I want to display the data in comma format. Okay, comma style. Click on here. See, data has been automatically displayed in comma format. जुन चाहिँ हाम्रो डेली लाइफमा पनि लेख्ने चलन छ. ओके, लास्टमा 3टा डिजिट अनि त्यसपछि दुईटा गर्दै हामी जसरी कमा इन्सर्ट गर्छौं या कम्प्युटरले अटोमेटिकली चाहिँ एक्सेलमा हामी यसरी कमा इन्सर्ट गर्न सक्छौं. सिमिलरली, यदि तपाईले यो डाटालाई डलर अथवा रुपैयाँमा लेख्न चाहनुहुन्छ, ओके, लेट्स select the data, go to this option, click on this dollar sign. See, the data has been displayed in dollar sign. $250. Now, if you want to convert this into rupees, यदि तपाई यसलाई रुपीजमा देखाउन चाहनुहुन्छ भने, यदि तपाई डलरको साइन नभएर रुपीजमा डाटाहरुलाई देखाउन चाहनुहुन्छ भने, just minimize this window, go to control panel. Inside this control panel you can see regional and language options. Just click on it. Here you can see a regional and language dialog box. Click on additional settings. Here you can see number, currency, time, date. Okay, just click on currency tab. Here you can see currency symbol. Now you can type yourself. For example, RS. That. Now click on apply. Click on OK. Just close this control panel. Now go to just maximize this Excel window. Now see, automatically the dollar sign has been changed into race. Okay, like this you can change the currency symbol also. You can change the font color. Okay, just select the text, go to font color, choose any color. You can change shading color also. Okay, any color you can apply. Okay, and let's have some more concepts. If you want to add a new column here, you need to click on insert option. Suppose I need a column just next of this item ID. Now click on insert. I need a column just next of this item ID on right side. Just go to sales group, click on insert option drop down arrow. Here you can see insert cells, insert row, insert sheet columns, insert sheet. Now what do you want to do? For example, if here I want to insert a column just right of this item ID. Now I can click on insert column. But you know, columns are added on the left of the cursor position, and then row are added just above of this cursor position. For example, I need a new row just above of this row. Now go to insert, click on insert sheet row. See, the row has been automatically added. Listen once again. Columns are added on the left side and row can be added at the top or just above of this current cursor position. Once again, let's add another column. I need a column just next of this item name. So just our cursor is here, it means our insertion point is here. Now go to insert, click on insert column. See, the column has been added on the left of the current cursor position. Now you can type any here, for example, ISO number. Okay. Now let's add some number here, ISO number. Okay. Similarly, just click on this plus sign or in new sheet option, or you can click on insert menu option, click on insert sheet. See, the new sheet has been inserted. So from here also or from here also you can insert new sheet. If you want to delete sheet, just right click on this sheet which you want to delete, click on delete option. See, sheet 4 has been deleted. Similarly, I want to delete this sheet 3, just right click or click on delete, or you can go to delete option on sales group, click on delete sheet. See, sheet 3 has been removed. Like this we can add and remove sheet. Similarly, let's remove this row. Now if you want to delete multiple rows, you can select. For example, I want to delete row 1 and row 2. Now go to delete option, click on delete rows. Now the both rows has been removed. If you want to delete columns, just click on the cell which column which you want to remove. For example, I want to remove this cell, column. Now go to delete option. Now click on delete sheet columns. See, the column has been removed. Let's delete this column again. Go to delete option, click on delete sheet row. The row has been removed. Okay. Let's write a heading here. Let's merge these cells. Select the cells which you want to merge. Click on merge and center. Now you can type the text here freely. For example, Kathmandu shopping center, Sundara. Okay. We can design the text as per required. For example, bold, font color red. Okay. Let's align this text at the center. Select the contents. Click on center align. See, the data are aligned in the center. Let's align the content of this heading also. Select the contents. Click on center align. Like this, we can format the text or the content of the data sheet. Now, if you want to delete the cell, you can select the cell which you want to delete. For example, I want to delete this cell total. Now click on delete option, click on delete cells, click on OK. See, the cell has been removed automatically. Similarly, suppose I want to remove this cell, for example NAME name. I want to remove this cell with the data name. Your name भएको data को cell चाहिँ म हटाउन चाहन्छु. Now select the cell, go to delete, click on delete cell, click on OK. See, the cell has been removed. Cells style in styles group. Just select the data. Now you can get different pre-formatted styles. In which format do you want to display the data? Data कस्तो स्टाइलमा देखाउने? Okay, choose any one style. Okay, now just click. See, the data has been displayed in the selected style. Once again, select the data which you want to display in different new style. Go to cell style and now choose any one style. Like this you can change the sales style. Similarly, you can add conditional formatting here. Conditional formatting भनेको चाहिँ कुनै पनि कन्डिसन राखेर, जस्तै 500 भन्दा माथि रेट भएकोलाई रेट रातो कलरमा डिस्प्ले हुने भन्ने हो. For example, let's select the data, go to conditional formatting. Now यो conditional formatting बाट विभिन्न डाटाहरुलाई डाटाको क्वान्टिटीको आधारमा, डाटाको नम्बरको आधारमा, भ्यालुको आधारमा हामी देखाउन सक्छौं. जस्तै यहाँ 1000 भन्दा माथि भएको रेटलाई चाहिँ रातो कलर फिलमा देखाउन चाहन्छु भने select the data, go to conditional formatting, highlight sales rules, click on greater than. Okay, now greater than how much? 1000. In which format we want to show? Light red fill. Now click on OK. See, the automatically data has been displayed in light red fill. Now, if this 250 is 1100, now what happens? Automatically data displays in red fill. Similarly, again I want to decrease this value. For example, 1500 लाई मैले 500 बनाउँछु. अब यो फिल अटोमेटिक हटेर जान्छ. सी, यसरी चाहिँ हामी डाटाहरुलाई देखाउन सक्छौं. जस्तै गरेर हामीले स्यालेरी रिजल्ट सिटहरु बनाउँदाखेरि फेल मार्क्सलाई चाहिँ अटोमेटिकली रेड कलरले डिस्प्ले गर भन्नु पर्यो भने पनि हामी यो फर्मुलालाई चाहिँ युज गर्न सक्छौं. फर्म्याटलाई जस्तै सिलेक्ट गर्ने. अब यो यहाँ फर्म्याट गरेको कन्डिसनल फर्म्याटलाई हटाउने कसरी त भन्दा गो टु कन्डिसनल फर्म्याटिङ, go to clear rules, click on clear rules from selected cells. See, the rules has been removed from the selected cells. Suppose math, science, English. Here let's enter some number like 45, 89, 30, okay, 55, 25, now 90. Here, let's suppose this is marks of the students. Now, let's highlight the marks who has scored less than 32. 32 भन्दा तल स्कोर गर्नेलाई चाहिँ के गर्ने? रेड कलरले चाहिँ शो गर्ने. Okay, select the data, go to conditional formatting. Now, less than, what less than? 31.99. Okay, 31.99 भन्दा तल ल्याउने चाहिँ in which color do you want to show? Red border. Red border ले चाहिँ show गरिदिने अथवा red text show गरिदिने. Okay, see, you can see data has been displayed in red color who has scored less than 32. If you score 32, automatically the red color has been removed. Suppose यो 90 लाई म फेरि के गर्छु? 31 गर्छु. अब यो त फेल मार्क्स हो. अब इन्टर गर्नु त अटोमेटिकली यो के भयो? रेड कलरमा डिस्प्ले भयो. यसरी we can display data as per the given condition. यो greater than, less than, 80 भन्दा माथि, 80 भन्दा तल भनेको चाहिँ यो चाहिँ कन्डिसन हो. And we can display the data as per the given condition like this. You can also format the cells just clicking on the launcher option. Here you can see font launcher, from where you can open these format cells. Font tab automatically has been opened, from where you can set bold, italic, okay, font size, font color, suppose yellow color. Okay, see, the color has been changed of the text. Similarly, from this font launcher you can click on choose any one font style. Okay, similarly font style, font name. Okay, see, Nepali font has been changed. English font, let's change English font. See, like this you can change from font launcher. Similarly, this along with this alignment group you can see alignment settings launcher. Just click on this drop down arrow. See, again the format cells with alignment tab has been opened. Now you can wrap the text. Wrap text भनेको एउटा सेलमा भएको टेक्स्ट चाहिँ एउटै छरिएर रहेको छ भने एउटै सेल भित्र चाहिँ कम्प्रेस भएर बस्छ. ओके, अर्को भनेको you can set the alignment of the text like what is it, like center align. Okay, vertical alignment like center. Okay, click on OK. See, the data has been aligned from here also. भनेपछि यहाँबाट देखि बाहेक हामी यसरी भित्र लन्चर भित्र छिरेर फर्मेट सेल्स खोलेर पनि यसरी हामी एलाइनमेन्ट गर्न सक्छौं. Similarly, you can also change the orientation. See, I have rotated 30 degree. Okay, see, data has been rotated in 30 degree. But here you don't see data. Why? Because font size is large. Now let's decrease the font size. Select the data. Now let's make it 8. Now automatically you can see data has been displayed. Okay, see, data as orientation has been changed from this alignment launcher, alignment setting. See, you can decrease also. See, now a bit it has been rotated. Again, just this style you want. Okay, see, like this you can change the orientation from this launcher. Similarly, just click on this number launcher, number format. Just click on here. See, number format tab has been opened up format cells. From here also you can change the number style. For example, let's select the data. For example, I want to change the number style. Select the data. Go to, now let's change the font color first. Okay, it is a bit difficult to view. So now select the, click on number launcher format settings. Now click on number. You can choose any number like accounting number, or do you know percentage, date and time, scientific. तपाईको डाटा कुन हो र के को फर्मेट चेन्ज गर्ने, you can click on number format. And suppose here I want to change the format of number, just simple number. So how many decimal places do you want to place? For example, decimal places कतिवटा राख्ने भन्दा 3टा. Okay, 3. Click on OK. Now automatically you can see the data are displayed in the 3 decimal places. You can also decrease. Just go to number format again. Just decrease. Suppose 1 decimal place. Okay. अब decimal एउटा मात्र हुन्छ, 89.0, 25.0, something like this. Similarly, you can also change the alignment of the text. Okay, and so on. For example, from this alignment you can change the alignment. See, alignment has been changed. Similarly, we can change border also. If you want to set border, for example, this type of border you want to apply, this style, and color is red. Okay, but border has not been applied. Why? Because here is no borders. So select the data. Here you can click on all borders. See, borders has been applied. If you want to remove the border, select the data. Go to borders, click on no borders. Again the border has been removed. I want to set border for this title. Just go to this from anywhere you can get inside format cells. जस्तै यहाँबाट पनि तपाई format cells मा जान सक्नुहुन्छ, यहाँबाट पनि, यहाँबाट पनि. Okay. Now we are in format cells box. Now click on border. Now which type of border do you want to select? Like outline border or inside border? यहाँ तपाईं स्याम्पल देखिरहनु भएको छ. इनसाइड बोर्डर भन्यो भने चाहिँ यस्तो सेल भित्र पनि बोर्डर बस्दो रहेछ. ओके गरौँ. अहिले हाम्रो चाहिँ के भएको छ, सबै बोर्डर चाहिँ सेल भित्र पनि बसेको छ. यदि आउटसाइड बोर्डर मात्रै गर्यो भने चाहिँ वरिपरि मात्रै, यसको अराउन्डमा मात्रै बोर्डर बस्छ. जस्तै फेरि त्यही जाउँ एन्ड बोर्डर, नाउ आउटलाइन बोर्डर. ओके, अहिले बोर्डर चाहिँ के भएको छ, you can see only a border around this title. Okay. Similarly, let's select the text. You can go to format cells from here, and you can change like border style. Okay, border color, and if you want to say border inside, click on inside. Okay, you can fill the colors like fill. Choose any one color like fill effect. You can choose any different colors, like you can mix the color. Okay, yeah. Here you can see the shading style also. Okay, click on OK. Click on OK. Like this you can change. You can set shading also. If you want to remove this shading, just select the data. You can click on here on fill color. Click on no color. See, from here also you can remove the fill colors. If you want to remove the border style, just select the data. You can click on borders. Click on no borders. See, the borders has been removed. If you want to apply borders again, select the data, click on all borders or bottom border, right border गऱ्यो भने right side पट्टि border बस्छ. See, here you can see a border. If you want to set border on left side, just go to borders, click on left border. अहिले फेरि left पट्टि एउटा border बसिरहेको छ. If you want to set bottom border भनेको तलपट्टि एउटा border राख्न चाहनुहुन्छ, line राख्न चाहनुहुन्छ भने select the data, go to borders, click on bottom borders, like bottom borders. See, the border has been appeared on the bottom of the data. Like this we can change border style. Similarly, you can also set pattern also. Format cells. Now you can see fill. Here you can see fill effect. Here you can see the pattern style. You can choose any one pattern style. Suppose I am to choose this style. I am to choose this color. Now click on OK. See, the pattern has been applied. यो dotted lines vertical grid lines हामी यसरी एप्लाई गर्नुलाई चाहिँ pattern style भन्छौं. यो pattern style हामी यसरी राख्न सक्छौं format cells बाट. Let's go again. Select the data where you want to apply pattern. Go to format cells from anywhere. Now go to fill. Inside pattern, choose any one style, choose any one color of pattern, click on OK. See, the pattern has been applied. If you want to remove pattern, select the data. Just like my headline बाट चाहिँ pattern हटाउन चाहन्छु. Now format cells, fill. Now no color. OK. See, the pattern has been removed from the headlines also. Like this, you can fill color, fill pattern, merge center, or we can change the text alignment. We can change the number format, font, size, color, etc. Also from the format cells dialog box. You can use these options as per required, or you can directly use the options on home menu tab and in font group, alignment group, number, styles and cells group. If you want to remove the formatting of cells, जस्तै तपाईले डिजाइन गरेको सम्पूर्ण कन्टेन्टलाई एकैचोटी त्यो डिजाइन जतिले हटाउन चाहनुहुन्छ भने select the data, go to clear, click on clear format. See, automatically all the design has been removed from the cells. यसरी हामी एकै पटकमा डिजाइन गरेको सम्पूर्ण इफेक्टहरुलाई हटाउन सक्छौं. Like this, we can format cells. Worksheet, row and columns. We can work with cells, row, column, sheet, workbook, etc. If you need new workbook, just go to file menu, click on new, click on blank workbook. Again, you can get new blank workbook where you can work. Here you can see an important option here. It is format. From where you can increase the font, you can increase the column height or row height. जस्तै तपाईले रोको हाइटलाई बढाउने हो भने तपाईले यतिकै माउसको पोइन्टर यहाँ लगाएर यसरी ड्र्याग गर्न पनि सक्नुहुन्छ. यसरी पनि हामी फन्टको रोको हाइटलाई चाहिँ बढाउन सक्छौं. सिमिलरली कोलमको वेट बढाउनु छ भने हामी माउसको पोइन्टरलाई यो ग्रिड लाइनमा लगेर यसरी डबल हेडेड एरो आएपछि लेफ्ट बटन थिचेर ड्र्याग गरेर पनि हामी बढाउन सक्छौं, घटाउन सक्छौं. बट when we work with large sheet, जब हामी ठूलो शीटसँग काम गर्छौं त्यस्तो अवस्थामा एकै पटकमा धेरै वर्कशीट एउटै शीटमा भएका धेरै रोजको कोलम्सको कोलम वाइड घटाउनु पर्यो, बढाउनु पर्यो, रोको हाइट घटाउनु पर्यो, बढाउनु पर्यो भने we need format cells. Now let's select the data. Now go to format option. Now click on row height. Now specify the height. For example, 0.3. Click on OK. See, it is 0.3. If you want to increase the row height at once of a cells, of columns, cells, select the data, go to format option. Now click on row height. Now specify the row height like 15. Click on OK. See, it is the height of 15 point. If you want to increase these rows equally at once, go to format, row height, suppose 20. Okay, row height has been increased equally. यसरी बराबरी चाहिँ सबै रोको चाहिँ हाइट बढाउन सकिन्छ. त्यसै गरेर लेट्स इन्क्रिज द कोलम हाइट. नाउ आई वान्ट टु इन्क्रिज द कोलम हाइट. जस्ट गो टु फर्म्याट मेनु, क्लिक अन कोलम हाइट. नाउ specify column height like 25 points. Okay, see it is 25 points column height. Now you can align the data at the center. See, data has been aligned. Now again I want to decrease the column height. Select the data or select the cells from where you want to decrease the column height. Now go to format option, click on column height. Now specify column height, for example 18. Click on OK. See, the column height has been decreased. Similarly, here you can see auto row height. Auto fit row height means data जत्रो साइजको छ, जस्तै कोलमको चाहिँ फन्टको साइज जत्रो छ, डाटाको साइज जत्रो छ, त्यसमै फिट हुने गरी चाहिँ यो चाहिँ रो फिट हुन्छ. जस्तै click on auto fit row height. See, automatically the data has been fitted with the row height. Similarly, let's auto fit the column height also. See, auto fit column height. Automatically data has been compressed and unnecessary spaces has been removed. So your row height, column height चाहिँ धेरै सेल अथवा धेरै रोजहरुको हाइट बढाउनु घटाउनु पर्यो, अथवा धेरै कलम्सको रो हाइट, धेरै कलम्सको वेट घटाउनु पर्यो बढाउनु पर्यो भने हामी एकैचोटी रोको हाइट घटाउन बढाउन, कलमको वेट घटाउन बढाउन सक्छौं. Just select the data or select the row or columns. Go to format cells. Now I want to increase the column height again. Now to that, okay. Automatically the column height has been increased. Format, column height. Now 50, 18 again. See, the column height has been increased. Here you can see more other options like in format. Here you can see rename sheet. You can also rename sheet. Suppose here we are in sheet number 5. Now instead of sheet number 5, यो sheet number 5 ले नराखेर हामी यसलाई कुनै नयाँ नाम दिन सक्छौं. जस्तै शपिङ बिल भनेर नाम दिन चाहनुहुन्छ, तपाईले यसमा राइट माउसको पोइन्टर लगेर राइट क्लिक गरेर रिनेम गरेर यहाँ नाम दिन सक्नुहुन्छ. अर्थात यसैमा कर्सर जस्तै तपाईले भएको वर्कबुकको तपाईको अहिले वर्कबुकमा हुनुहुन्छ, गो टु फर्म्याट, क्लिक अन रिनेम शीट, अर्गनाइज शीट ट्याब भित्रको रिनेम शीट भित्र गएर न्यू क्यान गिभ न्यू नेम, एक्जाम्पल बिल, प्रेस एन्टर. यसरी पनि रिनेम गर्न सकिन्छ. Similarly, from format only, you can also protect the sheet also. Just click on protect sheet. Here we can set the password. For example, 1 2 3. Click on OK. Now again retype the password 1 2 3. OK. अब हाम्रो यो पासवर्ड प्रोटेक्टेड भइसकेको छ, चेन्ज गर्न सकिएन. यसरी हामी डाटालाई लक गर्न पनि सक्छौं, मतलब शीटलाई, डाटालाई, कन्टेन्टलाई प्रोटेक्ट गर्न पनि सक्छौं. See, now no one can change, only the persons can read. किनकि now to change it again, अब यसलाई चेन्जेबल गर्नको लागि पासवर्ड राख्नै पर्छ. Go to format, click on unprotect sheet, enter the password like 1 2 3, press enter. Now you can change the data. Again, if you want, you can also lock the sheet. For example, you can go to format, you can go to just unprotect the sheet first. यसलाई unprotect गरौँ. जस्तै ABC हाम्रो अघिको पासवर्ड थियो. ओके, अब हामी यसलाई चेन्ज गर्न सक्ने बनाइसक्यौं. फेरि माउस प्रिन्टर भनेर यसरी चेन्ज गर्न सक्ने बनाइसक्यौं. अब if you want to lock this workbook, एक्सेल को वर्कबुकलाई पासवर्ड राखेर मात्र खोल्न सक्ने र पढ्न सक्ने, हेर्न सक्ने बनाउन सक्छौं. जस्तै फाइल मेनुमा जानुस्, इन्फो, in protect workbook, click on this protect workbook, click on encrypt with password option. Now type the password like 1 2 3. Again type the password 1 2 3. Okay. Now just go back, save this file, save this file. Now just close this file or close this workbook. close this window. Now let's go to the location where we have saved file. Suppose computer, inside computer, libraries, inside documents. Here we have file bill. Your bill भन्ने file workbook लाई खोल्न खोज्दाखेरि password माग्छ, because we have already set up password. See, now unnecessary people cannot open this. हाम्रो password हामीले मात्रै थाहा छ, जस्तै 1 2 3. Okay, now the document contents or the workbook contents have been prepared. Like this you can protect workbook.